the screwdriver.
How many screwdrivers do you see?
1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3.
Very
There's a
good.
hammer.
Yeah.
There's a wrench.
Yeah.
There's plier. There's doors.
Very good, Nicholas.
What's in there? What's in
What do
there?
you think's inside that drawer that's closed? Could be anything.
Has tools in it.
I bet you there's tools in it. What do you think's inside?
There's 1, 2 screwdrivers, pliers,
Mm-hmm.
wrenches, plier. If you see
What's that?
the plier.
Very good. Does Daddy know how to use a plier?
You know how you use a screwdriver?
Do I know how?
You turn.
Uh-huh.
You know how the wrench.
Yeah.
You know how the bolt.
Remember, Nicholas, you have to teach Daddy how to use the screwdriver?
Get to see which one I use.
Okay. Which one is that?
I'm gonna pick one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick one.
Okay.
I picked the one. Turn. I can use my finger to do
You
it.
could, and then screw the screwdriver like that. What kind of screwdriver is this? Which one is this called?